Hello everyone. I hope that everyone will be fine and better. And this is the very different thing for me, or might be for you, that today I am with you. And I hope though that mostly students they don't understand. They say that we can not speak. We know the grammar, we know the since when we used to go to the school, and now we are in degree classes and different type of the articles and collectors, and we are doing, but we don't know that what is the happening and what we have to do. Now, one thing I would want to tell you that you just try to do that. I want to give you some tips. First of all, sorry. बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि हमको इंग्लिश समझ में नहीं आती, हम बोल नहीं पाते, अगर समझ भी लेते हैं तो बोल नहीं पाते, ठीक है। और कुछ जो हैं वो शायद उनका इंग्लिश जो है वो सीखने की कोशिश नहीं की किसी ने, और कुछ ने अगर कोशिश की है तो वो, अब मेन प्रॉब्लम ये है कि इंग्लिश कैसे बोली जाए, हाउ टू स्पीक. There are the many problems with the students that we cannot speak. But what is the problem with that? That why cannot they speak? What is the reason in it? And there are the many reasons. Okay, so because we study English, but we don't practice it. We in schools we just know about the grammars, and but they are not giving you the practices to make the sentences. This is the secondly. If we know the grammar, we can make the sentences, but we cannot make a paragraph according to the ascending order. So this is the another problem. If you can do these things, you can do that, but sometimes you feel the problem, that vocabulary, and how to improve the vocabulary, how to improve grammar, how to improve how to improve your language structures, because functional English is another and grammatical English is another. And if you are giving the exams, so you need the grammar. Okay, if you are a general speaker, so you must need the practice, how to speak out, how to convey your message. If you are giving the competitive exams like CSS, GATE, ACCA, CA, these are the academic exams, so at that time you will not be able to speak out, because you have no practice. Lack of practice, you cannot be able to do that. Okay, so first you make a mind that what to do. Go on one way. Okay, first little bit how know about the grammar you must know. Okay, secondly you must know that what is the grammar. Okay, secondly you know that listening, because listening is the main purpose, that if you are listener, a good listener, because first you listen. When a child, he listens first. If you are a first listener, it means that you give the perfect listening power. If you cannot listen well, it means that you don't understand that how they pronounce their accent, their way of teaching, their way of speaking. Okay, so that's why you will not be able to like them. Okay, if you are just practice yourself, as well as you watch the newspaper, watch movies, and if you are not to be in touch with the English any articles like newspapers, magazines, and other kind of the articles like your academic practices, academic paragraphs, academic lessons, and in social media there are the many things, and even the with the different type of the stars, movie stars, and the other type of the personalities, the showbiz personalities. They you watch these videos, then you will be keep continue yourself. Okay, so you will be able to speak out little bit, but there need to first how to pay, मतलब किस तरह जो है वो इंग्लिश बोली जाए, कैसे हमें जो है अपनी लैंग्वेज को इम्प्रूव किया जाए. Improvement is the main problem. Okay, if you cannot improve, it means you won't be able to do that. So improvement is necessary. You have to improve your language. How can you improve your language? Listen. First, you listen the different people. They are, if you have the journal speaker, you listen them. Newspaper, news, English drama, English any type of the discussions, and later on you read the newspaper, story books, writing books, and articles, or different kind of the books, poetry. Okay, so when you be in touch with the language, then you will be able to do that. Okay, you will be easily, you can catch the words and meanings, and because if you don't know the meaning, so nowadays there is not difficult to get the meaning of a word. It is very simple and easily you can do that. How? Because just click your Google, it will be tell you each and every word, how to pronounce, the pronunciation. It will give you the accent, American accent, Britain accent, whatever, the Australian accent. There are the different type of Indian accent, and in Pakistan, it means mostly in Pakistan the people not follow the rules. Unfortunately, I regret to say that mostly Pakistani, they don't want to follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you won't be able to a good speaker. You won't be able to be a good writer. Because practice is necessary in competitive exam, in journal exam, and whatever. Okay. Now second, listening comprehension, reading comprehension. You read the newspaper loudly. So how to pronounce? Okay, and when you get the difficult, you think that it is a difficult word, so just click the Google and then you find it easily. Okay, then the meaning. First you try to understand the sense, that in which sense the speaker is writing or giving you the theme, then you will be able to that. Okay, first listening, reading, then writing. Writing, and the last one is the speaking. So speaker, a good speaker will be a good writer, because there are the many speakers. In speaking you can make mistake, so these are ignorable. If you make mistakes in speaking, ignorable. But remember that in writing, if you are making mistakes, it means that you are not a good one. Everyone will taunt you. So be aware to be the aimed one, that someone make you aim at you and give you some commands against you. So I hope so. मुझे उम्मीद है you will be understand and watch my channel continuously, and I will give you the different tips and what is the what thing I have left. If you have a problem, you have a in any exams you are preparing, and you are trying to understand something, and if you don't if you have the problem facing this something, so you must contact me. You must drop a message that I will discuss on that. If you want to think that I should come on live, so I'll come on live and make you understand, and different rules I will explain that how they will be easy and better for you. I hope so that this video will give you a good encouragement to speak out. Okay, so take care. God bless you. Don't forget, follow, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. God bless you.